Cleanup tool not showing in photos after the iOS 27 update. Whether the cleanup tools is missing, not showing, or not working on your iPhone, don't worry. I will show you the most effective fixes and hopefully one of them will get the cleanup feature back. First, you just have to restart your iPhone and check again. A simple restart can often refresh missing feature after an update. Next, you just have to go to Settings, then Apple Intelligence and Siri or Siri AI. And make sure here the Apple Intelligence is turned on, or if your iPhone is up to date with iOS 27, you can turn on Siri AI. But you have to remind it the old Siri doesn't support the cleanup feature, so Apple Intelligence must be enabled. And also you have to keep your iPhone connected to a stable Wi-Fi network where Apple Intelligence finished setting up. Now you just have to check your Siri language and iPhone language are set to the same supported language. If they don't match, Apple Intelligence feature, including cleanup, may not be appear. If the cleanup option is still missing, make sure your iPhone supports it. This feature is only available on Apple Intelligence supported device, including the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and all iPhone 16, iPhone 17, and later models. If you're using an older iPhone, the feature won't be available. Next, check your available storage. Apple Intelligence needs several gigabytes of free space to download and run its AI models. So if your storage is almost full, free up some space, then try again. After that, open the Photos app and select our regular still photos, tap Edit, and then look for the cleanup tools at the bottom. If you don't see it here, tap this New Tools button, and if that option appears, then select the cleanup. If nothing works for you, you just have to go to Settings, then General, and from Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This won't erase your personal data, but it will reset your system settings, which may fix the problem. And hopefully one of the solutions gets the cleanup tools showing and working again on your iPhone. Let me know which one fixed your issue. Thanks for your time.